Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about access specifier in Java. Access specifiers are necessary to improve the security and reduce the misuse of the members. The access specifier can be used with class constructors, and it can be used with variables, and also it can be used with methods. The types of access specifiers are: number 1, public access specifier; number 2, protected access specifier; number 3, default or friendly access specifier; number 4, private protected access specifier; and number 5, private access specifier. So these are the types of access specifiers available in Java. Now to understand them in detail, we have to create two packages. This is package 1, and we have to create another package. This is package 2. So we have two packages, package 1 and package 2. So inside the package 1, we have to create one class A, which has one subclass in the same package and also has non-subclass in the same package. And in the other package, we have the subclass of that class A, and also we have non-subclasses of that class A in the other package. Now while using the public access specifier with one member in the class A, the public member will be accessible from subclass in the same package, non-subclass in the same package, and also it will be accessible from subclass in other package and non-subclass in other package. So the member with public access specifier has the widest visibility. That's why this member is accessible from within the same package and also from the other packages. Now talk about the protected access specifier. The member with the protected access specifier has little more restriction than the public access specifier. So this member will be accessible from subclass in the same package, non-subclass in the same package, and also it can be accessible from subclass in the other package. But this member will not be accessible from non-subclass in the other package. Now talk about default or friendly access specifier. When inside the class we create one member without any access specifier, then this will be taken as default or friendly access specifier, and this member will be accessible from subclass in the same package and also will be accessible from non-subclass in the same package, but it will not be accessible from subclass in the other package and also non-subclass in the other package. The default or friendly access specifier is also called package friendly because members with default access specifier will only be available inside the same package. Like in this case, the member is only accessible inside the package 1. Now we talk about private protected access specifier. The private and protected can be used together to create one visibility in between the private and protected access specifier. So if we have one member variable with private protected access specifier, then this private protected member will be accessible from subclass in the same package and subclass in the other package, and the member will not be accessible from non-subclass in the same package and non-subclass in the other package. Now we talk about private access specifier. The member with private access specifier has the most restriction. The private members can only be accessible from within the same class, and it will not be accessible from subclass in the same package, non-subclass in the same package, or subclass in the other package, or non-subclass in the other package. So hope you understand about the types of access specifier available in Java and also with their range of access. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.